My name is Annie, and my experience at CCLS has been really good. I've learned a lot, and I've made a lot of really good friends. The teachers at CCLS are very patient and very hands-on, and they help you learn real-world application of your Spanish. I think CCLS is different because the methodology has a lot to do with conversation and application. I've taken classes in the past where it was out of a textbook, and at CCLS you do have materials, but it's different because you're having the conversation and you're speaking and you're listening and you're engaging versus just filling out a blank space in a book. Learning a new language for me has been a really good experience. The other day I went to get tacos from a taco truck with my husband, who is a native speaker, and he, of course, just orders naturally in Spanish like it's nothing. And I am always in those situations very nervous to speak in Spanish, but this was just a couple of days ago. I did it like without hesitation. I was like, this is what I want. This is how many. I want it with aguacate. And I just felt that confidence that I've never felt before in speaking Spanish. So I think that's one thing CCLS does really well, is immersing you in the culture. So both Spanish teachers that I've had at CCLS have done a great job of teaching not just the vocabulary or the grammar, but the real world scenarios, like in Mexico they would say this, or in Puerto Rico they would do this, or in Spain they would have this custom and say this thing instead. And so I feel confident that no matter where I go in the world, I am prepared to have those conversations. I definitely would recommend CCLS for learning Spanish. It's been a great experience for me. I'm on my third class now. The people at CCLS are some of the best people I've ever met. Not just the students. The other students are all hardworking and so smart and just fun and nice and easy to work with. But the professors, the teachers, are that and more. They're so smart, they're so knowledgeable. They know not only the material from the technical standpoint of the vocabulary and the grammar, but they know the cultural stuff. They know the local language and dialects, and they can teach you the slang if you want to know the slang. And the people at CCLS have been just an incredible bonus that I didn't expect.